Today I'm gonna try to replace the sprayers for the windshield wipers. They are, the driver's side one's not working very well, and when I go up to the mountains it's kind of necessary. So I'm gonna replace this one right here. To do that, you have to remove this panel here because it's connected underneath. I did some research and it looks like you got to remove both of the windshield wipers and these screws here. So you need to pull this clip back. Let's see if I can get it on camera. It comes out like that. Once you get that out, pull it straight up. A little easier if this is up, but get that back. And just pull straight up. And if you look on here, you can see there's this notch that lines up with this notch. Got both the wipers off, but it turns out if you're only doing the driver's side, you only need to take off the driver's side wiper and the 4 screws that are on the driver's side because they're split in half right down the middle. I got the panel out and just disconnected the hose from here, from this panel, and I popped off the old nozzle, and I'm gonna check to see if the one I bought will work for it. Well, the one I bought is not at all correct. It's giant and won't even fit in there. That clip is way bigger than what will fit in the hole. So what I did for now is I put this one that's not working in some vinegar, and I'm gonna let it sit for some time, try to get it rinsed out, and hopefully it'll clear up the holes. If not, then I'll just put it back on and go to the dealership and try to get one that works. I gave it about 45 minutes for the vinegar to do its thing, and just tested it. You can see it only went to about here, so probably not a great fix for it, but I will buy a new one and then I'll be putting that in. So I'll give you guys an update once that's completed.